Now music, please. Alright, Irish, you've got rhythm with our dolphin. You know, folks, we're a little short of trainers down here. That's why we asked Irish Big Out to give our dolphin some very special hand signal to show off a fantastic behavior. The hand signal is pretty easy. All she has to do is to put her hands on her knees and raise both hands up on my count of 3. So, are you ready, Irish?
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3. Hands up. Alright, Irish, now keep your hands steady because the dolphins will be right back with a very big surprise! That's a mouth full of water. The Irish took on a great trick to get Zach, Steve, and Loki to return the Solex as his dolphins. Hey Zach, Steve, and Loki, did you do that on purpose? Yes, no? But do you think that was funny? So this evening, folks, today there's another mystery that we're going to talk about from trainer Croyland. And give you your brand new friend, Loki. Very nice. Now Iris, we're going to face the audience. Now you've been a great guest and a good sport. But before you go, I saw you fed them some fish. So, how does your hand smell? Pwede mo ba amoy yung amay mo? Fishy, do you have any idea how to get rid of that fish smell? Idea ka ba? Wash it with fresh water and soap, but since you don't have any fresh water and soap here, Irish, all you have to do is to follow me. Alright? I want you to put your hands out like this, and then wipe it in the shed. But I bet Irish too smart for me, folks. How about a nice round of applause for our guest, Irish? Now, Irish is the red medal for dolphins down here. So I'm going to stay down here, and he'll be having a special treat for you. We'd like everyone to know that you too can meet one of our dolphins up close and personal to our program called Dolphin Photo Encounter. Just like Irish, you get a great photo to take home. But if you really want the experience of a lifetime, we also offer our encounter program where you can swim, wade, or even dive with our dolphins and whales. For more information, just ask with your friendly park guide. Now it's time to meet another dolphin friend. But this time it's the largest member of the group. And even though it's called a whale, he actually belongs to the dolphin family. He's nearly 4 meters long and weighs over 650 kilograms. He's black, he's big, and he's skilled for spinning friend. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to introduce you, Tonka! Whoa, great job there, Tonka! Now, Tonka is a false killer whale, also known as the direct act resident. So how do you think he got the name false killer whale? Well, it's primarily because of his teeth. Tonka's 35 large conical shaped teeth as those of a true killer whale. And they were also mistaken to be a baby killer whale at one time. Thus the name false killer whale. Alright, now, Tonka would like to show off his huge teeth when he saw the version of the movie, Jaws. Oh boy, those are really big teeth, aren't they? But, don't you worry, those teeth may look scary, but the orcas are very gentle animals, just like our dolphins. One minute of view, our trainers will join Tonka and our dolphins to show you a fantastic display of water ballet. So watch and enjoy.